Good evening, ma'am. So today's topic is a main method in a Java. The main method main method is a starting point from a JVM to start the execution of the Java program. Without the main method, JVM will not be execute the program. It is the main part of the method. The syntax of a main method is a public static void main. Public static void main string arguments. Here public is a access specifier, static it is a keyword, main it is a method name, void it is a return type, and string arguments is an array of a string type. So we discuss one by one. So first public it is a access specifier. It is a access specifier. We would use the public keyword before the main method so that JVM can identify the execution point of the program. We write a public keyword in a before the main method because they identify the execution of the program. Then if we use private, protected, and default before the main private, protected, default when the main method, it will not be visible to JVM. But public is a, we write a public in the before the main method, the execution point in the program will execute. Then static. So static is a keyword. You can make a method static by using the keyword static. And then we should call the main method without creating an object. Static methods are the methods which invokes without creating the object. So we do not need any object to call the main method. It is a use of the static. Then void. In a Java, every method has a return type. So void, it is a return type. Void keyword which compiles the main method, does not return any value. It is a return type and does not return any value. Then main. So main it is a default signature of the default signature which is a predefined in a JVM. It is called as a JVM to execute a program line by line and end of the execution. After completion of this code, we can also overload the main method. Main method, it is also main part of the program, and JVM. We use a main method in the JVM. It is called JVM to execute program in a line by line. Then string arguments. String arguments means the main method also accepts the some data from the user. It accepts a group of a string which is called as a string array. It is used to hold the command line and arguments in the form of string values. That is the main string arguments. In a main string arguments, the argument square bracket sign is an array name and it is a string type. It means that it can a group of a string. Remember, the array can also store of a group of numbers, but in the form of a string only. String value only and values passed. The main method is called as arguments. These arguments are stored in a array sign. That is a square bracket, args square bracket array sign. So the name args is generally used for it, storing the values in an array. Then suppose main method is a return without string arguments. That situation, the program will compile but not run because the reason of that time, the reason is the JVM. That time JVM will not recognize the main method. That time JVM always looks for the main method main method with a string type array as a parameter. So that time program will compile but not a run. Thank you.